Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the stack. Stack is a special type of collection which is based on the LIFO technique. LIFO means last in first out. Let's take an example of the LIFO. Imagine a stack of cards which each card is kept on the top of each others. The concept of the last in first out in the case of the cards means that only the topmost card can be removed from the stack of the cards. So only the topmost of the card can be removed. The process of adding an element to the stack is called the push operation, and to remove an element from a stack, this operation is known as pop operation. If you push the maximum number of out of range of the stack, then that means the overflow occurrence, and if you remove empty stacks, then underflow condition occurs. So how to initialize the stack? A stack is a class, so stack equals to by using new stack by using the new operator. To adding an element to the stack, stack.push, stack.pop for removing the element, and stack.count to get the number of the items in the stack, and stack check element present in the stack, that is use stack.contains property to use this. So let's take an example of this stack in C#. It's very easy to understand that. So just create a new project, and already created a Windows Form project in the 2.sln file for the hash table. The previous video tutorial is based on the hash table, so just that example. So just comment it, and when we click on the button control, create a new stack with initialize some values like 1 2 3 by using the push operation. So stack, and make an instance of the stack st equals to new operator stack. Here we have a specified stack size. There is not fixed size of the stack, but in the C, stack is implemented by the array, so the fixed size mentioned to the size in the C for the array. But here we have a class st and st.push 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, the last element in the stack is 3. So the first retrieve is 3, and then 2, and then 1. So if you want to print, and if you want to add in the list box, so must to learn that concept of the stack, that is first to set, that is 3, and next 2, and next 1. So item. Okay, so have to check it. Just save this project and click to run. When we click on the button, the 3 2 1, the first is retrieving the topmost element of the stacks, that is the LIFO property, last in first out. So in the case of the array, the ordered first in first out is based on the queue. So later on I will discuss on the queue. So if you pop the element, then only 3 is removing. Again, if you if you again apply the pop property, then 2 is also removed from the stack. So messagebox.show to check the property of the count property. So st.count property, but messagebox display a string type, it's not an integer, so use .toString method to convert the integer to string. Okay, now save this and start it again. Similarly, you can check the contains property also to check whether the element is available or not in the stack. That is the actually return true and the false value. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to C#, because I will provide you best video tutorial related to the C#, and I'm sure you notice that here we have a stack class. So go to the definition of the stack, and here we have some methods like clear, clone, contains, copy to, and peek, pop, push, and to array types of projects. So these are the methods, and these are the properties of related to the stacks. So thank you guys for watching this video.